sweet. B for ball, bounce on your feet. C for cat who loves to play. D for dog who barks all day. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish who swims away. G for goat, eats grass and hay. H for hat, we wear in May. I for ice cream, cold and fun. J for jug, for juice and sun. K for kite, flying high. L for lion with a roar so sly. M for mango, juicy and sweet. N for nest, where birds meet. O for owl who wakes at night. P for parrot, green and bright. Q for queen with crown so neat. R for rabbit with hopping